lecture number 3 of crypto system. Tuples of crypto system, again we'll revise it. Encryption algorithm, decryption algorithm, key, plain text and ciphertext. So what do you mean by encryption and decryption? So whenever there is a message written, say hello, you have to make this message hidden so that an attacker will not be able to view the message. So you hide the message and you convert it into some other language, say Joley, jolly. So you hide this message so that the attacker cannot see. This process is called as encryption. You encrypt the message. And what do you mean by decryption? This message jolly is converted again back to hello at the receiver end. This process of converting it back to hello is called as decryption. You decrypt the message. So this is done at the sender end and this is done at the receiver end. Encryption is done at the sender side. Decryption is done at the receiver side. So sender has sent a message to John saying hello John. This is sent by the sender. This message is encrypted and something like this is formed of hello John. So this message is plain text, that is hello John, and the hidden message is the ciphertext. Now this ciphertext will be decrypted at the receiver end and again it will be converted back to the plain text, that is hello John. So this is the whole process of encryption and decryption. So crypto system, types of cryptographic encryption algorithm: symmetric key cryptography, secret or private key. Encryption and decryption key is same. Asymmetric key cryptography, public key cryptography. Encryption and decryption key are different. Means what? When this hello John is converted into this format, hidden format, you use various algorithms. In all the algorithms, one thing is common, that is your key. A key will be used to hide the message. Say I am writing hello. I will use a key, say money, and this hello will be hidden using the key money to say something like jolly. So you are using this key at the encryption end. Again this key is being used to decrypt this jolly back to hello. Again you use the key. So if you are using the same key, let's say you are using the same key money, then we say that it is symmetric key cryptography, where the same key is used at both encryption end and decryption, that is at both sender and receiver end. If a different key is used, say for example for encrypting you are using the keyword money and for decrypting you are using the keyword monkey, then different keys are used. If different keys are used, we say it is asymmetric key cryptography. The use of key, how is this done, we will see later in the chapter when we learn different algorithms of encryption and decryption. But for now you have to just remember, if the same key is used, symmetric key cryptography. If different keys are used, asymmetric key cryptography. Crypto system, transforming a plain text message into ciphertext. So you have to transform the plain text, that is hello, to its ciphertext, that is jolly. We can use two methods. One is substitution technique, other one is transposition techniques. Under substitution you have various methods. Again under transposition also you have methods. So substitution means what? Substitution is plain text letter is P, you are substituting P with L. Plain text letter is Q, you are substituting Q with M. Plain text letter is L, substituting with O. Plain text letter is O, substituting with R. So this is what? This is your substitution. You are carrying out substitution at various stages. That means you are substituting the letter with some other letter. Next is transposition technique. In transposition technique, the first type which we will learn is the rail fence transposition. In transposition, you don't substitute the letters. Instead, you use the same letters. So your plain text is come home tomorrow. Your cipher text is this. How did you get it? Like this. See, first you write COMEH. You just jumble the letters in transposition. You write the whole thing like this and you get the cipher text as this. First row will be considered, then this second row will be taken into consideration. This way we will get the cipher text. Now you may ask a question as to, in substitution technique, in transposition technique, it will be very easy to find the jumbled letters. But no, this is steps. How many steps are used? Steps used are 2. First step and this is second step. If I say use steps equal to 3, then the person will use COMEH, somewhat like this. If I say steps used is equal to 4, then I write COMEHOME. So in that what will happen? CM will come first, then will come OOE, then MH and then E. Here CH will come first, then OE, then M. So it depends on the number of steps used. Next transposition technique is columnar transposition technique. This is columnar transposition technique. In columnar transposition techniques, we have different columns and we arrange it column wise. So we arrange it like this: COMEHOMETOMORROW. You have arranged it. Now, in rail fence, we were reading it row wise. The cipher text was read row wise. Here the cipher text will be read column wise. Therefore, it is called as columnar transposition technique. So cipher text will be CMROERMTOEOWHMOO. This is the way we have to do the transposition techniques.